YouTube, it's your girl, came back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a 1-month update on this Tatcha Indigo overnight repair. But before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning supporter, thank you for coming back. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, help me grow. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. You're probably wondering what's in this box right here. But yeah, it's so nice. I bought it twice before this bottle is even done. Like, I've used like that much in the 1 month. I don't want to say like I use it sparingly, but a little goes a long way. And you guys are probably like, well, why, why would you buy it again? Why not wait till it runs out? So I have this theory, and I could be wrong, but I've seen it many times with other things, so I just didn't want to take the chance. Where you buy something that just came out and it's really, really good, and eventually like the quality changes. Well, I didn't want to run into that, because when I say this works, I mean like it really works. So your girl picked up another one just to have on hand. How does this box open? I'm gonna open it not to really like make sure, and I don't want to say like I'm getting lost in this like unboxing, but the reason I'm opening it is because I noticed on their website it had like something that held, like they give you this little scoop to well, that's what I'm calling it anyway, to take the cream itself out and apply it to your face. But in the pictures on their website, it shows that there's something to hold it to the top of the bottle, but there's nothing to hold it. This is what I'm referring to the top of the bottle. So I'm like, or jar or whatever it is. I'm like, yeah, well, that's, I don't want to say like false advertising, but I kind of low-key wish that there was something, because it would make it a lot easier than me having to have two different things in two different places. But let's get back to the cream itself. And I thought I was going crazy. I don't want to say like I didn't really do any research. Like I was on Sephora app. It was like, oh, what's new? And it was like, oh, this cream, and it'll help with your skin. And if you guys recall, I want to talk about other products, but I feel as though again it's relevant. The Fenty Beauty, is it Aqua Visor or Visor or Vic? I'll put a picture of it up here. I have the Fenty, and I love Fenty. I think it works really good for my skin. And when they came out with that cream, I'm like, oh yeah, I don't have an overnight cream that's moisturizing. Let me pick it up. And you guys have heard me mention before, if you've been on my channel, that it doesn't really do anything. Like I noticed no difference in my face. This, however, on night one, when I say night one, I mean night one, I saw a difference in my face, and I was like, I'm going crazy. This didn't change my face. So I just continued to use it, and like overall, like my skin kept improving. And then I finally went to their Instagram page, and it literally says on there, you'll see results after the first use. I probably should have read that first, but I didn't. And I don't want to, like, it sounds crazy and you're thinking like, okay, $85 for a face cream, but it's worth the $85 clearly, because I bought it again. I started using it in the daytime because I ran out of my Fenty. They do have a lot of other products, and I don't want to say like I'm getting into skincare and being better about my skin. Now there are certain, I don't want to say like holistic, there's certain things that I do to my face that works, but when it comes to products I could be a little bit better. So I don't mind like branching out and trying like different things, and I want to try some of their other products, but I don't want to be hooked on it because they're pretty expensive. But I feel as though they're gonna work, because this, when I tell you though, this works so well, like so well. Obviously, because I bought it again, and because I ran out of my Fenty, I'm like, I'll just use this in a day and a night. I hope it doesn't cause like any, I don't want to say like pigmentation, like with the sun, because some creams you put them on in a day, you're not supposed to put them on in a day because the sun can affect your skin while you have it on. Maybe I'll do a little bit of research before I do that, but I love it. I absolutely love it. It works, and it works really well. It is worth every bit of the $85 that I paid for it. Now I did pick up some other things here from Sephora, or was it a free gift? I don't know. They have a Skin FX Dark Spot Corrector, so I'll probably go in and do a separate video on that. And then Laneige. Laneige? That's how I pronounce it. Oh, they give you like this little set. I don't know what it's for. Oh, lip sleeping mask. Water sleeping mask for your eye. Water sleeping mask. And then Water Bank Moisture Cream. How much did I pay for that? I probably should have said this video is about the Tatcha and more. Yeah, I don't know how much I paid for the rest of that stuff, but I I've been seeing a lot of people talk about this, and I wanted to try it out. I'm gonna put it up here so you guys can see. I probably should do that from the very beginning. So that's that. And then this is the Skin FX. I want to say I got this free with like my points or something like that that Sephora does. I low-key feel like I may return this. Not to say like I don't want to try it out, because I've heard a lot of good things about it. But I feel like it's a conflict of interest. I don't want to stop using this because of how well it works. So yeah, I'm probably just going to return. I probably didn't read that well. You know, sometimes I don't read that well. But yeah, I would totally recommend this product. I'm clearly not getting paid for it, because you guys know I don't want to say I'm considered a micro-influencer, because I don't even know what you would call it, but no one pays me for my content. I just try things out that I buy with my own money thus far, and give you guys my honest opinion on it. And honestly, this is worth it. I would be willing to try the rest of their line, but yeah, I don't want to get addicted, so I'm not gonna try it because it's expensive. But yeah, that wraps this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.